Welcome back to the channel. Today I got another delicious one pot recipe. We got Cajun sausage pasta. Super simple, 7 ingredients. Let's get to it. So the first ingredient of the recipe is we got this Cajun style smoked sausage by Hillshire Farms, and we are going to use this whole thing. Pull it open, and we are just going to cut it in half. We're just gonna slice it, not super thin, but you know, your average kind of 1/4 inch thick slices. All right, after we get all that sausage cut up, we're just gonna go ahead, put our stainless steel pan on, and we're gonna throw that sausage in. Now that we got a little bit of heat in that pan, we're just gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil in there, maybe a tablespoon or 2. And then we're just gonna go in with all that sausage, and we're just gonna try to get this browned up. That's all we're looking for, just get a nice brown on this sausage. All right, now that our sausage is nice and browned up, I got some Cajun seasoning here, and we're gonna go down with about like a tablespoon, and we're gonna put that on the sausage. You could make your own Cajun seasoning if you want. Just gonna kind of let this kind of sit and cook up for another minute or 2. Okay, and after a few minutes, I got a can of diced tomatoes here, and we're gonna pour in a little more than half, maybe 8 ounces. And the acidity, crazy thing about the acidity is it just completely cleans the stainless steel. It's just completely takes all that fond off the bottom, put on all that flavor. And again, we're gonna let this cook for a couple more minutes, warm up, combine. Okay, so we got this on a nice light simmer. And at this point, we're gonna go in with a whole cup of heavy whipping cream. We're gonna mix that in. Obviously, gonna let this incorporate, start to simmer a little bit, thicken up. Finally, got some fresh Parmesan cheese. So get out of my comments talking about I need to do the fresh parm. I got some, and I'm using my little microplane to grate it up. We need about a half cup. I'm honestly not measuring. When it comes to cheese, you measure with your heart. That's just always true. As you already know, we're gonna add a little bit more at the end. So we're adding our half cup. Mix that in together. Should melt super easy since it's fresh grated. And trust me guys, I know, I hear all the time, fresh grated's better. I just know a lot of people aren't doing that, but we'll see today if it really is better. We're just gonna grate a little bit more fresh Parmesan. This microplane works super well. Mix that together. It's starting to bubble up. Definitely starting to thicken up, come together. Smells absolutely delicious. I took those noodles off of the stove. They are ready to go, and we're about to incorporate everything in. Smells amazing. All right, it's that time. Starting to simmer up. We're gonna add in those noodles a little bit at a time, because this pot is definitely gonna be pretty much max capacity. Try not to splash it and get it everywhere else. Definitely use a bigger pan, or just maybe transfer it all over to the pot when you're done. That would probably be even a better idea. Looks like we're gonna do it. Gonna fit it all. All right, we're gonna finish that off with just a little bit more grated parm on top. And lastly, I went ahead and chopped up a little bit of parsley. So throw that on there for a nice little pop of color. And that's it. Let's plate it up, try it out. And just like that, we got delicious Cajun sausage pasta. It smells absolutely delicious. Oh my God, look at that. Super hot. Finish it off with a little more cheese and some more fresh chopped parsley. Let's try it out. Wow, that is super good. It's kind of got that slow burn that Cajun does. You get that flavor roll out of the Cajun seasoning, and at the end, just kind of hits you. So it's got a little bit of spice to it. So if you're not a fan of spice, maybe either die down on the Cajun seasoning or just maybe try another one out. I got plenty of videos on the channel. So if you enjoyed this one, don't forget, like, subscribe, check out some of the videos, and I'll see you in the next one.